Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use NordVPN on your iPhone device. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. In case you haven't got NordVPN yet, it's an amazing tool that allows you to browse the internet safely by hiding your IP address and protecting your data, offering you full sense of security. And so, we have an amazing offer just for you. To get the offer, simply scroll down until you see the first link in the description below, or until you see the top pinned comment in the comment section. Click on it and you will see this page right here where you can get to enjoy 75% off your NordVPN's 2-year plan, including 3 months for free. Very simple, very easy. Once you click on here and you'll sign up for it. Now, to use the app on your phone, all you have to do is click on it after you install it from your app store, and then from here you're going to log in with your account that you have made with our special offer. Once you do that, as you can see, you have multiple options. One of them is Quick Connect, where it can connect you to randomly any other country just to change your IP address to provide you with full security. Or you can go down until you see all the countries and all the options that you have necessary, and even some countries will have certain cities that you can connect to directly, such as United Kingdom having Glasgow, London, Manchester, and Edinburgh. Now from here you can exit, and as you can see you have a dedicated IP option, you have a specialty servers options with over, onion, over VPN, and many other options that you can select and go through specialties. Now from here you can go to the security section where you can enable threat protection, where you can use threat protection to keep dangerous websites away as you browse the web. You can enable this and it will connect with your browser directly. And you have here where you can see all the notifications you have necessary, all the messages from the application, where it can tell you that connected, unconnected, or there is a threat detection. Now from here, finally, you can go to your website or your profile picture, and then from here you can enable auto connect, where it can connect to any VPN that you select just as long as the phone is on or when it turns on. Or you can go to the dark web monitor where it can find your email and tell you that there are leaks with the email on random websites or phone numbers. And then finally, you can go to the security score where you can check everything on your phone and how it is currently with how high the security is while you're using it. And that's pretty much it. Finally, you have the settings where you can enable or disable certain settings from your application, or you can edit the appearance of it, and that is all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.